get kick off on the land and go live in the middle of this.
Mrs. Somebody tag me in this video, yeah. Well, I have to come and reply to it. J Progress. I don't know if you have vlog or you just attack, because in reality it seems like you don't want to do some research. You just get some DM or you hear some like critiques around this and you just decide, say boy, yo, you go put 2 and 2 together and just put out one vlog and make it feel like, say boy, you actually a vlog. Brother, if you don't understand how vlogging work, do some research on it, you understand? Now, first and foremost, a lot of people out here talking about Anne-Marie Vaz and Daryl Vaz, Alive and Bloomfield and all of these things. A time for them to stop it, because the Portland people know that Bloomfield was a batman who did a sex one like 20 at the year old at the time for money. You understand? And the youth get jealous and think because Bloomfield now uphold went for uphold. Jealousy kick in and all of these things, so the youth kill Bloomfield. And because you know say Daryl Vaz and you know him family and him come below them evil, you just say yo what them do it because them want JLP to run the place. So no need to stop it now. Number 2, this beachfront land we wanna talk about how Anne-Marie Vaz are fighting for the land and all of these things. That same piece of land is owned by a PNP holder. And Anne-Marie been fighting for that piece of land, to develop the land, to put bathroom and infrastructure right there, some seating and all of these things right there, so the public can have a space so them can go and them can have restroom and all of these things there. I wanna know this stuff, so I don't even stop spreading the propaganda here. Alright, next piece of land I wanna talk about now. Majority of people grew up in Jamaica upon squatters land. That's been owned by the government for years. And them know the procedure, so them know say yo, oh, if you stay upon the land for a certain time frame, you get the first beneficial to own the land. But knowing Jamaican people, them just unruly. Instead of them going and trying to find out how them can own the land, them sit down upon the land for years because them don't want to pay nothing called tax. At some point, development and infrastructure go come in play. Show me another country where you can go do squatters land, where you can go kidnap land from the government and live upon. I show me another country where you can live upon a land, buy a land and live upon it and don't pay tax. All the people them there for this get up off of them lazy ass and go down a Paris Council to find out how best them can own the land. Because by right, them get the first preference to own the land. Seeing where with a whole bunch of land out of Ken Jones Highway, I'm in the process seeing where we may find out how best me can own a piece of land out there. And the result of them give me is that me have to wait a bit for the government to make a decision, and then them can tell me what the procedure. You know, some people just say, of course, and I say, oh, long me upon the land and whatever, and government take away. No, because it's a procedure. So why Jamaican people so unruly? Now, another thing again, if Anne-Marie Vaz and Daryl Vaz so wicked, right? Why Jamaican people or why Portland people keep on voting for them? If Anne-Marie and Daryl Vaz will kill Bloomfield, why then they vote Anne-Marie Vaz in? Why them never vote Damian Crawford in? Remember this good. Damian Crawford actually come with a good plan for Portland, don't it? And them vote out Damian Crawford and vote Anne-Marie Vaz in, don't? And them have this trouble from years from Bloomfield. Did them have this problem with road, with land? So why them never stand up and vote out Anne-Marie Vaz? Wanna tell me? We all know why Portland actually vote for Isaac Buchanan. It's just because him free a criminal called Vibes Cartel and him is a ex-convict himself. Because in reality, him don't have a plan. Me listen to last interview with this man, and this man literally call himself a devil. Him say the people them who run the country is a devil. And the people them who is the resident or the citizen of Jamaica is the leader of Jamaica, which him right. But if him call himself a devil, come on man, what I tell you to say?